Welcome to our landmark project, Shriram Blue. Let me start with the project detail. This is 8.5 acres of land parcel. In that we have designed 1, 2, 3 BHK and the duplex unit. This is the layout plan you can see. We are coming up with only 471 units. So that's the one of the first USP of our project. In Bangalore, basically if you look at any gated community, you will see the per acre ratio is at least around near to 90 to 100 apartment, but in our project is only 54 apartment in an acre. So in that we are designing 1, 2, 3 BHK and a duplex unit. There are, you can see, is 11 towers. We have 3 towers in the front, tower A, B, C, and these are all G plus 12 floor structure. We have basement, then steel car park, and then 12 floor. So the first is ABC 3 tower, and then we have a gap. You can see already around, it's a 1 acre land parcel, almost 30,000 square feet area has been left open for on the central park area where all your open amenities will come. So I'll come back to the list of the amenities, okay? And there are 8 towers in the project. This is a phase wise we are doing the construction. These 8 towers is the phase 1. The completion is July 2021, and this is the phase 2. ABC tower will come the phase 2. This will be ready by July 2022. Coming to our luxurious clubhouse, it's a 20,000 square feet area clubhouse with G plus 1 floor, and you name all amenities are there, starting from your gymnasium, your steam, sauna, spa, then your indoor badminton court, your indoor squash court, then daycare. Most importantly, the Apollo clinic for your elderly parents. You need any medical emergencies, the medical assistants will be there present at the site. Then you obviously the grocery shop to purchase your daily necessary stuffs, and as well as other basic amenities starting from your party hall and co-work place. So it's a fully loaded clubhouse, and also you will have a cafeteria. Okay, so this will definitely make your life very, very easy. Now, how this project is different than other project is, obviously Shriram as a brand, we have presence in all the segment, starting from your affordable to luxury to super luxury. Shriram Blue basically comes under the luxury segment. Here, if you look at the configuration, okay, we have 1, 2, 3 BHK and a duplex. Okay, we have very few 1 BHK 645 square feet area, which is a very good investment product. Keeping in the location in mind, in and around this Whitefield, so many IT companies, this will give you a very good rental return as well as investment return. Then we have 2 BHK 1285 square feet area. So that's what the USP of the project, that where right now in today's date most of the builders are coming up with smaller sizes to target the affordable segment. But I'm pretty sure there are a lot of customers are there, a lot of people are there in Bangalore who are looking for a spacious unit, and this is the right product for them. So coming to the 3 BHK, we have 1650 square feet area. It's a very spacious 3 BHK unit. Last thing is we also have a 2150 square feet area 3 BHK duplex. That's a beautiful product. Okay, we have a model flat for that as well. So we'll definitely take you through the model flat of a duplex. Now coming to the location of the projects, this is located in Sigehalli main road in off Whitefield. This is in and around Whitefield. There are more than 4 lakh people are walking. That's the one of the USP, that this project is also very near to your workplace, but this is also a product, or this is also a project which will give you a resort like lifestyle, and a weekend feeling with so many amenities to enjoy with your family.